Side hustles for teachers. Attention all teachers. Are you looking to boost your income? You love your job, but you're always short. Watch your money grow with these side hustles. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, we have tutoring. What skills and knowledge do you have that you can monetize? For example, English and maths teachers are always in demand. You can also be an online teacher. Here are 10 of the best companies where you can teach online. Next, we have freelance writing. Here are 11 of the best websites where you can apply to find work. Next, you can sell your creativity. What are you good at? You can be a digital artist or a traditional artist selling paintings. What can you sell? So, we have handcrafted items if you are good with your hands making things. If you have excellent handwriting, you can sell calligraphy, items which sell well. I know this from personal experience and have sold many calligraphy work. I can write in 4 different languages: English, Arabic, Bengali, and Urdu. So, where can you sell your work? You probably have heard of eBay and Etsy to sell handcrafted items. You can also sell in local markets, to your friends and family, people in your social circle, and of course, there's always social media to market your handcrafted items. If you're based in the US, then Teachers Pay Teachers is the number 1 website for teaching resources. Next, you can sell your teaching resources. So we have here Times Educational Supplement, or TES for short, which is the most popular website for teaching resources in the UK. All these are teaching resources ready to download. Some are free and some are paid. The Arty Teacher is a popular resource. Next, we have summer jobs that you can apply for. You can teach English as a second language. I've taught students from all over the world. Which platforms do you use? Here are a number of platforms to teach online. Cambly is very easy to use. You can also apply to italki, which is another popular online platform. VipKid or VIP Kid is very popular for Chinese-speaking students. See which platform you like and try it out. If anything, it's great for experience. Are you a good listener? Why not try counseling young people and help them with their mental health and well-being? Are you good with cameras and working in a team? Why not teach video production to university students over the summer? Are you good with technology? Why not help people who are less experienced with technology, for example, senior people? If you enjoy administrative tasks, then why not join a temp agency for administration work? Here's a quick summary of what you can apply to.